Okie dokie, artichoke. We are on math lesson 12-6. Equal shares, different shapes. So when you think of share, just think of like literally sharing something with someone, giving them a part of it. So if, for example, you bring cookies to school, if you were to share the cookies, right, you're dividing your cookies and you're sharing them. So what we're doing today is we're actually taking shapes because it's geometry and we're going to break them and share them. So here's the top. This is the part that we're going to read across every time that gives us examples and the language to use. So how can this rectangle be divided into 3 equal shares? They've kind of cut it up a little bit for you to show you a grid. So that actually shows you there's multiple ways. You could draw in columns, which go up and down, or in rows, which go side to side. You could draw lines to make 3 equal shares that are different shapes too. So these shapes are just lines. Here you can make, they kind of look like L's and then one straight line. Either way, they're equal shapes because each one has 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Each share can be a different shape, but it's the same size either way. It just looks different. So you're going to need some colors to do today, or you can be creative and shade it in with your pencil in different ways. It says, draw lines to show one way to divide the rectangle into 4 equal shares. 4 equal shares does not mean 4 lines. It means there's 4 things that you can share. So one of the easiest ways I would do this is take 4 different colors. That way your brain can see it really easily. So there's 4 equal shares. There's the 4 people that we're sharing in between. This person can get 3. This person can get 3. This person can get 3. And this person can get 3. So you can see it's divided up into 4 different colors. So what is really important that you get is that equal shares doesn't mean that you get, like if it says 4 equal shares, it doesn't mean everyone gets 4 pieces. It's mean you're sharing between 4 people. So this one you're going to be creative on. So I can encourage you to try different ways. Again, it's still 4 equal shares. You're going to have to draw it in a different way. So we learned here that each person, if it's 4 equal shares, would get 3 pieces. So there can be 1 share. It's still the same size. True, it's not the same shape, but it's the exact same size. 3 cubes here, 3 cubes here. Different shape, same size. Do you understand? How can you check that all shares in your rectangles are equal? So this one, the word equal means same. How do you know these are equal? How do you know when you finish that these 4 will be equal? What's a way that you can check your work? You're going to continue on this side and the back. One thing I want to point out on the back is in the journal section, when it says, does the shape of an equal share change the size? Explain. We're looking at shape compared to size. Come back here. Look at something that's divided. These are different shapes. They are not equal shapes. Same as up here. 1, 2, 3. All different shapes. But are they the same size? Explain why. All right, guys. Good luck.